Have you ever wondered why, in energy healing, we energize a body part after clearing it? Why don't we just remove the negative energy and stop there? This one step is the difference between temporary relief and deep, lasting healing. My name is Umer. I am professional energy healer. Today, I'm going to explain this in a simple, practical, and powerful way. Clearing is not the end, it's the beginning. In energy healing, when we clear a body part, we remove trapped emotions, energetic blocks, trauma imprints, dense or stagnant energy. But clearing does not automatically heal the area. Think of it like this. If you clean a wound but don't apply medicine or bandage, healing won't complete. Clearing creates space, but space alone is not enough. Clearing creates an energetic vacuum. When negative or blocked energy is removed, the body part becomes energetically empty, neutral, sometimes weak. The body does not like emptiness. If we don't energize it, old patterns can return, symptoms can slowly come back, the area may feel tired, numb, or disconnected. That's why energizing is essential. Every organ and body part needs life force energy to function properly. After clearing, energizing refills the area with fresh energy, improves energy circulation, helps the organ communicate with the brain, activates self-healing intelligence. This is when the body remembers, oh yes, this is how I'm supposed to work. True healing always has two steps. Remove what doesn't belong, restore what does belong. Many people only focus on clearing and wonder, why do my issues come back? Because nothing new was installed after removal. Energizing is what rebuilds strength, balance, and harmony. The body stores memory, not just the mind. Even after trauma is cleared, the body may still expect pain, the nervous system may stay alert, organs may stay in survival mode. Energizing sends a new message. You are safe now, you are supported, you can function normally. That's why people feel warmth, tingling, lightness, emotional release after energizing. Weak energy attracts imbalance. Energizing strengthens the body part, stabilizes the healing, prevents the same issue from reforming. This is especially important in chronic pain, emotional trauma, anxiety and stress, organ-related issues. So remember this. Clearing removes interference, energizing restores life. Healing is not just about removing pain, it's about teaching the body how to live in health again. If you feel stuck, drained, or like issues keep returning, it means your system may need proper clearing and energizing. You can book a personalized energy healing session with me, where I don't just clear, I help your body fully reset and stabilize. Link is in the description.